Today I am going to show you how to prepare fruit custard. Let us see how the preparation is done. We will start with preparing the custard powder. Take 3 heapful spoons and half a glass of milk is added to it. Mix it thoroughly until it becomes a syrupy mixture. Now in a container we need to boil some milk. I have had some boiled milk which I'm going to use for this recipe. We now empty the custard completely into the milk and allow it to boil. We keep stirring. You can see how the mixture is now becoming thick and creamy. To this, we add a bowl of sugar and mix well. We will now take this mixture into a basin so that it begins to cool down. To this, we add some pomegranates, some chiku, some banana, some grapes, some chopped apples and mix well. We've also taken some dates and badam and some cashew nuts which are chopped and added to this. Refrigerate it well and your fruit custard is ready to be enjoyed.